In this video, we're going to talk about the hardware used as part of the belayer system. So the first thing we'll talk about is the Petzl OK carabiner. This is an aluminum carabiner with a triple action auto locking gate. So for this one, to open it, you need to slide the gate up, rotate it clockwise, and squeeze. It'll open, and as soon as you let go, it auto locks. You can check that it's locked by the squeeze check. Again, to open it, push, twist, squeeze, and you've got it. You connect that to your climber's harness, let go, you're all set. You notice down here at the bottom, there's this weird bar. This is to create a captive eye for the climber's rope to connect to. We'll talk about the purpose of this later on, but for now, all you need to know is this is where the rope goes, just in that little sleeve, and this is where you connect to the camper's harness. The next thing we'll talk about is the steel carabiner here. This is from Edelrid. It's a steel carabiner with a screw gate. Just unscrew the gate, open it, put it where you want it. To lock it off, you just screw it closed. At the bottom of this one, there's a wire gate. It also creates a captive eye, but this one can be open and closed. The idea here is that this is connected to the belayer. So you connect through the belay rappel loop, and then you want to rotate around so that you can capture the belay rappel loop in that captive eye to keep it oriented the way you want. And then you can just lock it off by rotating up. I'll come back to this in a second. The last piece we're going to talk about is the belay device itself. This is the ATC Pilot by Black Diamond. It's a simple tube style belay device with steel wear points, so it's going to last a long time, and great little graphic to show you how to orient it correctly. So you've got your line here, you've got the climber end going up the tree, you've got your brake end towards the ground. You're going to take the rope and make a bite. You're going to look at the pilot, look at the graphic there. So I know that my climber end is up, my brake end is down. I've got the same thing on the graphic, going to push it through. And now, going back to my steel beaner, clip through, lock it off, and the whole thing is assembled. So again, the wire gate has got the belay rappel loop. This gate is locked off. This is oriented correctly. And my climber line is now ready to be clipped into the climber. That's the whole thing.